Hey y'all, welcome back to Fishing Around with DG. I'm here to talk about my trailer again. So I was pulling boats off yesterday to start getting ready for the week. I've got a client going out on Thursday. My bunks are broken again, and so I want to talk about that. And I've also got a couple other things I need to fix on the trailer. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's what I'm talking about. That one's wiggly. That one's okay. This one is completely off. And this one's wiggly. So we got to tighten all that up today. Also picked up a set of these Yakima ski racks off of Facebook Marketplace. We're going to put those on today. And so if you haven't yet, like and subscribe so you don't miss what's going on here at Fishing Around with DG. Let's get to it. All right, there we go. Nice new rod storage there. Boom. Probably hold 8 or 10 rods. I don't know, we'll find out. But hey, I like those for rod storage, guys. They're simple, easy to adapt to different trailer setups. Yeah, they're not weatherproof, but they are lockable. And hey man, they work for me. Here's my weapon of choice for fixing these wiggly bunks. I won't have to deal with this hopefully too much longer. It just has to last for a couple more trips, and then I've got another set of bunk daddies coming in. So it's always a trick trying to find a screw head. There it is. Get that a little snug up. This one, might as well do this one too. Yeah, so I've been using the trailer a lot more now. Let's get these tightened up the rest of the way, and then I've got that one with the broken screw I gotta fix, so let's get back to it. Go to the front, do the same thing. If you can find the hole. No, there we go. That took the wiggle out. All right, well, we got those bunks tightened up, the old screwdriver method. Wood screws, you know, holding these PVC bunks on. So like I said, we won't have to be worrying about that too much longer because I've got 2 new sets of bunk daddies on the way, and that's going to solve this problem. This trailer is going to be solid after that. Thanks for doing these couple trailer repairs with me, and see you on the next episode of Fishing Around with DG. Bye, guys.